Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are discussing the example based on order of operation 2 multiply 3, 2 multiply 3, parenthesis 2 plus 1 whole square. So here first we simplify the parenthesis according to the order of operation. So multiply 3 is same 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 and power 2. So until parenthesis is present, so 2 multiply 3 is same, multiply 3 power 2 is 3 power, so 9. So here we write the 9. Okay, and here the last option, all arithmetic operation is multiplication. So we first multiply 2 to 3 or 3 to 9, same position. Okay, same position. So here first 2 multiply 3 is 6 and multiply 9. Okay, and 6 multiply 9 in 54. So 54 is the right answer. If you like this video, please subscribe.